My friend Nadee sent me this awesome coconut cookie recipe. In this video, she will show you how to make these sweet, buttery, and crisp coconut cookies that taste just like the ones from Indian bakeries. They are absolutely delicious.
To make these coconut cookies, start by combining half a cup or 115 grams of softened room temperature butter with 1 cup or 120 grams of powdered sugar. Using an electric mixer, mix until the butter is light and creamy. This will create the perfect base for your cookies. Next, add in 1 cup of desiccated coconut, that is about 100 grams. Then, grab a sifter and sift in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, which is roughly 125 grams, along with a teaspoon of baking powder. Sift these right into your mix and then stir everything until it looks like a crumbly dough. Then, add 2 tablespoons of milk and give it another mix until the dough becomes smooth enough to shape into cookies easily. After you have shaped your dough into small balls using your hands, press each one just a bit flat. Then, dip each cookie into desiccated coconut to coat it nicely. Place the cookies on a lined baking sheet ready for baking. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 13 minutes until the edges are a little bit golden and the cookies are set.
If you enjoy these sweet and perfectly chewy coconut cookies, you might also love this moist and spicy coconut cake recipe here. It is the best coconut cake I have ever tasted. Check it out now.